Hi guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a cooking Sunday in so long, but I'm not feeling well today, so I'm going to make homemade chicken soup. So I figured I should probably film it. So if you want to see my own homemade chicken soup, just keep on watching. Before you swipe me away, click me on this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I already started cooking prior to me deciding to film this, so I got one potato, cut it up, and started to boil it. I also got pre-washed, pre-cut celery, and then I got baby carrots. So I already cut up the celery. Now I'm just cutting up some of the baby carrots. You don't have to cut them if you don't want to, but I just wanted to kind of make them bite-sized. So I don't usually put too much stuff. You can add mushrooms if you want, but I think depending on the mushrooms, like, it really changes the taste and flavor of your chicken soup. So what I'm gonna do is just use celery, chicken, and potato. So the order that I cook things in is the potato first, because the potato takes the longest, I think, in my opinion, to cook. Next thing I'm gonna do is add the chicken, and then I add my veggies last. I'm just prepping everything in a bowl. I got like a medium-sized amount, that way I can eat it throughout the day. Okay, next I'm gonna cut up just a clove of garlic and add that to my veggie bowl. I haven't filmed one of these in so long that I'm like, can you see me? Okay, just a little bit. I'm gonna wait for the potatoes to kind of cook, and then I'm gonna add the chicken. So I guess I could cut up the chicken now. I just got chicken breasts. I kind of wanted a mixture. To be honest, the legs are my favorite in chicken noodles, in the chicken soup. However, it's always such a hassle to like eat it when it's hot. So I was gonna buy giblets, you guys, but the giblets were so expensive. I could not believe how much chicken is. Like, chicken used to be so inexpensive. I used to pay like $5 a package, and now I'm paying way more. It's so crazy to me that this was $11. And this is a big ass piece of chicken breast. Like, what are you feeding these chickens? Okay, I'm gonna cover it again, let that simmer. My chicken cooked pretty quickly, but the potato still needs a little bit more time, so I'm gonna add my veggies now. Now we'll add all the like spices and seasoning and stuff. So when I season things to taste, and I like my soup concentrated. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. I already have garlic, but I'm gonna add some garlic salt, onion powder. I'm like almost out of this. I have this little like celery stuff, and I know I have celery in it, but I'm just gonna add that. Some more black pepper. I feel like I'm missing something, but we'll taste it. feel like it needs a little bit more time just for these flavors to kind of work together. But I'm gonna throw in a 1/3 tablespoon of the chicken broth, and I think that should do it. Okay, soup is done. Time to serve. Okay, it's still a little hot. I can feel it. Let's get a little bit of everything. Chicken, potato, and the veggies. I'm gonna burn the shit out of my mouth, aren't I? Tastes like a sick day. Let me know what you guys think.